is Mike with American Veteran Garage Doors. Here on a job with doors with broken rollers. These are just cheap metal rollers. You can see that this rollers are wobbly. That means it's way beyond broken. And you can also hear it. It's making a really bad noise. Sounds like a little choo-choo train. That's pretty bad. So we're going to swap these rollers with these rollers. This is like kind of like a cheaper roller, but a pretty good one. We're going to swap this roller, or all of these rollers actually, with this roller. So this is basically a nice roller. It has bearings inside, so it rolls real nice, and it has a nylon tire, so it doesn't make all that noise here. Let's fix this. So the way to change it is pretty easy, a little bit dangerous if you don't do it right, but you want to take a 7/16, which is this guy over here. See that? Most of them are going to be 16s. Take those 4 bolts off, screws. Then this comes off. This comes off. Put the new roller. Make sure you put it in the right hole. Some of them have more than one hole, so make sure you put them in the right hole. Okay. And then for the back, make sure again you put the screws in the right holes too. A lot of doors are different. All doors are different. Not all of them are the same. So you want to make sure you put everything exactly the same as you had it. And also you want to do another thing when you put the rollers down, rolls back. You want to kind of pinch the door towards you. If you don't, a lot of times your roller is not going to sit, your hinge is not going to sit. So 1 down, 10 more to go. The only problem is with this one, you're all the way at the bottom. You cannot take the screws off. If you take these 2 screws off, what's going to happen is this plate is connected to this cable here, and this is just going to shoot up and probably hurt you real bad. So you do not want to take the screws off of this guy here. The way to do that is a little different. Everybody has a different way to do it. I take a hammer and yank it out like that. This is a little bit risky. You do want to have a professional do it, but if you want to tackle it, just be very careful. Do not damage the tracks. Otherwise your roll is just going to pop out by itself as the door is opening. It looks kind of easy the way I do it, but it's actually not that easy. It takes a lot of practice to do that fast. But there you go, and it's back. So we changed the rollers out, all 10 of them. The door is so much quieter, rolls so much better. Night and day. Well worth it. So beautiful. Ooh, look at that. So quiet.